Hey everyone, it is Julie here with TipRanks. The month of September is here, so today we're looking at 4 dividend-paying stocks that all have ex-dividend dates in the month of September, so you can start collecting that passive income right away. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Like I said, today we're looking at dividend stocks for September, all with those ex-dividend dates coming up this next month, so you don't have to wait around forever to finally collect that dividend. Just before we get into these great companies, this is just a reminder that if you've been considering unlocking some fantastic research tools, now is a great time to do so. Premium and Ultimate subscriptions are available on a monthly payment plan, so make sure you follow the link in the bio down below to download the app or check out the website. Now let's get right into these 4 dividend stocks. First on our list today, we're looking at apparel company Kontoor Brands. Their stock trades under the ticker KTB and is currently priced at $37.61 per share. Kontoor Brands pays a quarterly dividend of 46 cents. That works out to a current dividend yield of 4.65%, well ahead of the sector average of 1.65%. Their next ex-dividend date is on September 8th, with dividend payment on September 19th. Kontoor Brands is the parent company of some of the world's most iconic brands. They own both Wrangler and Lee, known for their denim and apparel. With over $2 billion in 2020 revenue, they have over 14,000 employees across 60 different countries worldwide. While 78% of their sales were within the US, they are looking to expand across China and the digital world, as well as expanding their categories across outdoor tees and work apparel. In their most recent earnings report, they saw 27% revenue growth and 57% growth on their adjusted earnings. They stated that they anticipate that macro conditions will remain challenging, but that they're confident in their strategies, continued brand momentum, and efficient operating model. The Kontoor brand stock currently has 7 analyst ratings, and it comes in as a moderate buy based on 3 buy ratings and 4 holds. The average price target comes in at over $44, which would be an upside potential of 18% for the next year. The most recent rating comes in 2 weeks ago with an upside potential of 68%. For our second dividend stock, we're looking at a REIT, or Real Estate Investment Trust, with the Simon Property Group. They trade under the ticker SPG, priced at $104 per share. They pay a healthy quarterly dividend of $1.75 per share. That works out to a dividend yield of 6.27%, well ahead of the sector average of 2.11%. Their next ex-dividend date is also on September 8th for a dividend payment on September 30th. Simon Property focuses on shopping centers and is the largest retail REIT in the world by equity market cap. They own iconic properties in top-tier markets, including Fashion Valley in California, the Galleria in Texas, and the Las Vegas Premier Outlets. They are the only real estate company in the S&P 100 index and were named Fortune's most admired real estate company 8 different times. They have properties across 37 U.S. states, and some of their top anchors include Macy's, JCPenney, Dillard's, and Nordstrom. Their stock currently has 13 analyst ratings, coming in as a moderate buy based on 5 buys and 8 holds. The average price target comes in at $121, which would be an upside potential of about 17%. The most recent rating came in yesterday and was a hold, but still with a price target that would be about a 20% upside. Third on our list of dividend stocks today is Camping World Holdings. They trade under the ticker CWH and are priced at about $30 per share. They have the highest dividend yield of our bunch today, with a quarterly dividend of 63 cents. That works out to a dividend yield of 7.19%, well ahead of their sector average of 1.65%. Their next ex-dividend date is on September 13th for payment on September 29th. Camping World Holdings is America's largest retailer of RVs and other related products and services. Growing from a single store in Kentucky back in 1966, they now have over 185 Camping World supercenters nationwide. They also have a comprehensive website featuring thousands of quality products for RVs, including a full selection of new and used RVs for sale, and offers service centers totaling over 25,000 bays, 1,850 technicians, and over 100 collision centers. Camping World just has 4 current analyst ratings, but does come in as a strong buy based on 3 buys and 1 hold. The average price target comes in at $37 per share for an upside of over 22%. The most recent buy rating did have an upside of over 52%. And last but certainly not least, we have a dividend king. Paying a dividend for over 50 years, we have Coca-Cola. Their stock trades under the ticker KO, priced just above $62 per share. Coca-Cola has raised their dividend consistently for 59 years, currently paying a quarterly dividend of 44 cents per share. That works out to a dividend yield of 2.74% compared to the sector average of 1.65%. Their next ex-dividend date is on September 15th for a dividend payment on October 3rd. Of course, Coca-Cola needs little to no introduction, with their products being sold in over 200 countries worldwide. Along with their namesake of Coca-Cola, their portfolio includes many big beverage names, including Dasani, Sprite, Minute Maid, Simply, and Powerade. With 136 years of refreshing people everywhere, they are the #1 worldwide in value across several categories. In their most recent earnings report, they saw net revenues grow 12% to $11.3 billion. The Coca-Cola stock currently has 10 analyst ratings, coming in as a moderate buy based on 7 buys and 3 holds. The average price target comes in at $69.50 for an upside potential of over 11%. So there we have 4 stocks, all with ex-dividend dates coming up in September. You can download the TipRanks mobile app and check out the dividend calendar to find other companies with upcoming dividends too. Follow the link in the description down below. Please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock and are just meant for information and entertainment purposes. Please make sure you're always doing your own research and due diligence before making any investment decision. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you back here next time.